Hello! It's been about 2 years, so here's a bit of an update about what's been going on, and I still have a boat. Everything's good, no drama, just life happened. So the last video you will have seen was from I think May 2023, nearly 2 years actually since I uploaded the last video, and we did do more than you saw in those videos. So you saw like the first trip out with the previous owner, part owner, Gordon, and his friend Peter, and how we bought the boat. I made a video on buying the boat, and then when it came to sailing I didn't actually upload what I'd filmed. So about 2 years ago we sailed the boat from Gosport to Portishead and then onward up the River Avon to a mud drying mooring there, where there's a cheaper place to moor it than the very expensive local marina. I have got some GoPro footage. I haven't filmed every part of it, and unfortunately, like maybe the more interesting or exciting bits I didn't film because I was kind of focused on trying to skip her, I guess, and make sure everything was as safe as it could be, even though there were a few moments that were quite out of my comfort, or out of our comfort zone actually. So this makes sense that the boat is here in Portishead rather than Gosport, and what I'm hoping to do is upload some videos when I finish editing them. I think I might split it into maybe 3 sections because there's quite a lot of footage, and yeah, hopefully upload those soon. So I'm sorry it's been radio silence, we haven't sunk, nothing bad's happened, but right now I'm in Portishead. I'm just trying to do some work on the boat before it is launched on Friday, and today is Wednesday the 12th of March, and I've taken a half day off work so I can finish those bits off. So hopefully soon there will be some more videos on here of that trip 2 years ago, which was from Gosport, and we went to Studland Bay to Brixham. Yes, in one big go, Studland Bay to Brixham, and then Brixham to Salcombe, Salcombe to St Mawes in Cornwall, and then St Mawes to Penzance, and then Penzance to Swansea, Swansea to Portishead. So that's where I am with the boat. I don't know if anyone is even still following this channel because it's been so long since we've made any videos, but basically we're all fine, no drama, just living life really, and I'm sort of wondering what to do with the channel. I hope to upload them soon. And then after that I'm not sure, because I've listed the boat for sale. I don't really want to sell her, it's just too far away, and the reason being that I just don't think I can combine it with working full time and trying to sail it up to the northeast of England with my annual leave and trying to do other things that I want to do in life. I would feel a bit sad about selling the boat, but equally I don't want her to deteriorate. I hope that gives a bit of a background and an update, and if you have watched this, thank you for watching. Anyway, bye for now, and hopefully see you again soon.